Hello guys, welcome back. This is Lego Safe 1994, and today we're going to be doing a review on set number 212055 Nether Portal Ambush. Yes, just finished building it today, and now we're going to do a review on it right now. So this set contains 352 pieces, one minifigure, one hologram figure, one gas figure, and two magma cubes, and retails for $35. So first off, start off with the magma cubes here. You got two magma cubes here, right here, as you can see. They look nice. These two are printed pieces. Okay. Then we get to the what is this right here? The Hogland right here, which is really detailed with the tusk right here, and the feet, and the back and the top as well. Okay, and then a little nice mane right here with completely white eyes, as you can see. This minifigure player here, you have an enchanted bow and a diamond pickaxe. And last of all but not least, the biggest one here in the set is the gas figure. Most particularly that I like in this set is this figure right here. As you can see, and also if you turn around here, you see how highly detailed it is. Okay, and at the bottom, 9 tentacles or legs, which of course are supposed to be that way. And the stand here to stand the figure up on one of these columns we'll get to later. And also, this is the back here, this peg, push in order to launch a fireball like that. Okay? Alright, so now onto the actual set itself. You get this terrain right here. Yeah, this is terrain of the Nether. You get the Crimson Forest here. You get I don't know what this part of the Nether is or what biome Nether is, but also you get these columns right here, solid columns or whatever. And next you get another portal right here, which of course is really nice. It is also not really connected by the studs at all. The purple transparent frame part of the Nether portal, which I'll explain to you how this works. So, as I mentioned earlier in this review, you get this gas here, and then you fire off, you shoot, and there you go. It knocks the portal out. It completely deactivates the portal, leaving the player trapped in the Nether. Which of course, just like watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.